Hello guys, this is Mohammed Rafiq with you. Getting Roblox error code 273. It usually means your account is logged in from another device, but don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it in a few quick steps. Step 1. Log out of all devices. On the Roblox website, go to Settings, select Security, and click Log out of all sessions. This forces every active session to close. Step 2. Restart your device. A simple reboot can clear temporary login or connection issues. Step 3. Check for VPN or network issues. If you use a VPN, turn it off. Roblox can block logins from certain networks. Switch to your regular internet connection for a stable login. Step 4. Reset Roblox app data. Still getting the error? Try clearing Roblox app data. On Windows, type %local appdata% in the search bar. Open the Roblox folder, select all and delete it. On mobile, go to your app settings and clear the cache. Step 5. Enable two-step verification. Finally, turn on two-step verification in Roblox settings. This adds an extra layer of account security. And that's it. Error code 273 should now be fixed. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.